today is a very important day for CIBIL because we have our 6th annual Credit Information Conference in Chennai. The idea of conference itself is that the Bureau has evolved over a period of the last 15 years. We have large number of data, almost 500 million data points. We have developed score. It has made its impact. Lenders use it very properly. Just to give a point of reference, while we are talking about the huge stress in the commercial lending portfolio, to take retail, last 5 years, the CAGR growth of retail is very high and the delinquency is low. That is primarily because of the CIBIL, where the data is available. We are able to give the score, we are able to give information to the lenders before they take a credit decision. Similarly, we are also able to sort of reach out to the individuals to manage their own score. If they have a better score, let us say we score between 300 to 900. If they are scored above 700, they have an easy access to credit because lenders prefer them. If they have, let's say, over 800, 850, they can negotiate for a better price. So a lot of empowerment to the individual borrowers happen. The content or the data is the primary point on which we develop the product. So we have one data point, that is the lenders send it to us. Based on that, we make a lot of analysis and then provide some sort of an indicative score for the first time borrowers. But then if this whole content becomes enriched by data coming from telecom, those who pay to the mobile, or multiple other data points, social media data point, creditors data point, then it gets enriched. But then it is a journey because as per the Credit Information Act, we can only take data from the lenders. But I'm sure over a period of time, there are discussions happening in multiple sources. With the help of Reserve Bank, we should be able to get more data points when it is possible, even to come with a very solid score or indicator to lend to the first-time borrowers. We have been working on this for the last 2 years. It's almost perfect because today when Mr. Manish made the presentation, you would have seen that clearly when we first launched our score, this is the pattern that we followed. We are ready, we are offering this product to our customers, and they should be able to sort of take a view based on the data that we provide. Today we are governed by a Credit Information Companies Act, and the Act doesn't permit data to be sourced from other than the lenders. Now there is a requirement to sort of look at the Act itself, and there is a lot of discussion happening on this. And while telecom companies are these specified users, they can use the data. Insurance companies can use the data, but they don't supply data. So, but then there are good progress that has happened because there's a Adityapuri committee report which has recommended more data sources to come in. There's a conversation happening with the regulator in telecom sector, and I think shortly we should be able to get more data points.